Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Apple Notes and Google Keep in 2025 to find out which is the best free Notes app. If you're looking for the better Notes app to help your workflow, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. With Apple's Notes, you have access to a native app that fits in perfectly with the rest of your Mac apps. The app includes a simple ribbon with formatting and media options, a folder tab for easy access to other notes, and a notes tab that you can view in a list or as a grid. You can use Google Keep's free web app on Mac as part of the Google Docs editor suite. Unfortunately, there is no native Keep app for Mac, although the app is available for iPhone and iPad. Apple Notes lets you make creative notes with formatting options for your text and attachments such as photos, videos, audio, documents, and collapsible sections. You can even scan photos and documents right from the app. While you can only switch between dark and light modes for notes on this app, you get to use a host of writing tools to make your notes better. While there is no option to directly add a reminder to a note, you can quickly share a copy of a note to your Apple Reminders app. Through Keep, you can directly add reminders for important notes. This is done through reminders that are saved to Google Reminders from the comfort of Keep's web version. Reminders made through Keep are also set to sync with tasks, the to-do list in Google Calendar. Apple's folder-based organization system lets you neatly sort your notes into different folders. You can sync notes to iCloud or store them to your Mac's internal disk. Keep notes are automatically organized by recently used with options to view your notes in a grid or a list display. While Notes has folders and tags, Keep lets you categorize notes by custom labels. You can also archive notes for easy retrieval. On Apple Notes, you can collaborate with others on notes and folders through an editing or viewing link, which you can share on apps like Mail or Messages. To collaborate with a team member or multiple on a Keep note in real time, you can share a collaboration link that lets them edit notes and lists. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.